Summer is over, can you see? Alligin berries on the trees, throwing away the days before you leave. There's no use in being here, swallow a whole other year, bumbling along the crumbling road. I will wait away, and they will sleep dawn is singing, oh, you are song, breaking through the fire and flame, hoping the moon won't lay the shadows long. You will speak with your own head. Who's the one who made your bed? Sighing as the answers come along. I will wait away, and they will sleep take away your pain. Plasters on your bleeding veins, and hold you, throw away your fear. And now I give you tears. So hug all the trees and the birds and the bees, I'll be with you. In their eyes I know it sounds strange, no one goes away. And the riptide flow white pulls me away, I'll sink, no swim, hear my voice no more.